Sino nga ba si voluntary member sa SSS? Base po kay SSS, narito po ang sagot. Basahin po natin. A voluntary member is one who was previously covered as SSS member, either as an employed, self-employed, or OFW, with at least one valid posted contribution, and it's no longer engaged or working as either employed, self-employed, OFW, or has no income earning as such for a given period, and hope to continue paying contribution on a voluntary basis to maintain his/her right to full SSS benefit. Base po kay SSS, siya po ay dating covered ng SSS bilang isang employed, self-employed, o OFW na merong at least one posted contribution po sa SSS. Siya po ay hindi na nagtatrabaho o hindi na po siya engaged sa nabanggit po na self-employed, employed, o kaya naman po OFW. O kaya naman po wala na po siyang earnings or income na natatanggap for a period of time. At pinili niya pong mag-contribute po sa SSS bilang isang voluntary para po ma-maintain ang kanyang karapatan sa full benefits po ng SSS.